Assalamu alaikum, welcome to this channel. In this video I am going to discuss the poem of Bhulle Shah, He Who Is Stricken by Love. I am going to read from the notes so that you can easily understand. सारा मैं जो नोट्स है वो पढ़ने लगी हूँ, एक दफ़ा रीड आउट कर लूँ ताकि आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए। जो अगर कोई लफ्ज़ की समझ नहीं आ रही तो वो सुन के समझ आ जाए आसानी से। Person who is seriously affected by love or who is deeply in love sings and dances without bothering whether the correct music is playing or not. His purpose is to dance no matter what kind of music is playing behind him. He has no concern with the beat and sound. He is so happy and intoxicated in love that he is least concerned with the music being played. He says that for such people, love becomes the important part of life. As clothes are important to wear, similarly love is important for human body or human to live. Love is food. We cannot live without food. Similarly, we cannot live without love. People make their dresses love. For them, God is love. They get blessing from Him because God likes to be loved and He loves those who are in love. He says, if you have decided to take action for your beloved, then no if and but remains. These question does not matters. Then poet gives the expression of God love in the poem instead of worldly love. He says, if you are in love of Allah, then you do not need anything else. You do not have to follow the rules of the world. His only wish is to enjoy the joy of love which his beloved is giving. He is least concerned with the world around, what other people doing, what they think of him. He does not bother anything. He has written 3 times, sings and dances out of tune, as he was seriously affected with the drums and beats. तो ये ओवरऑल पोएम थी कि अगर हम एक बंदा अल्लाह ताला से मोहब्बत करता है और उसे फिर दुनिया की परवाह नहीं रहती कि लोग उसके बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं क्या नहीं, और उसे इस चीज़ से वो लीस्ट कंसर्न्ड होता है, उसे परवाह ही नहीं होती। वो बस हर पल अल्लाह ताला को खुश करने में लगा रहता है और वो जो वो यही सब करने में लग जाता है, उसे दुनिया की परवाह ही नहीं रहती। तो बुल्ले शाह यही कहते हैं कि ही हु इज़ स्ट्रिकन बाय लव sings and dances out of tune. He does not care about what kind of beat is behind him or what kind of drums are playing, what is music. He has no concern with anything. So you can write assignment from these notes to easily understand. Allah Hafiz.